Geometric sequence. Ano nga ba ang geometric sequence? Ito ay set of numbers where each term after the first, okay, is found by multiplying the previous term by a constant called the common ratio. So meron tayo ditong sample niyan. So ito ay 3, 12, 48, 192. Okay. So alamin natin ang common ratio. To get the common ratio, divide the second term, ito, let's say na ito, doon sa sinundan. Okay. So dito, divide the second term by the first term. And then, divide the third term by the second term. Divide the fourth term by the third term. And so on, kung mahaba pa yan. Okay. So, pag dinivide natin ito, 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. 48 divided by 12 is equal to 4. 192 divided by 48 is equal to 4. So, the common ratio is 4. Okay. So, para ma-master natin yan, meron tayo ditong example. For each geometric sequence, find the common ratio and the next term. Hanapin natin yung common ratio. And then, pag nakuha na natin, hanapin natin ang next term. So, meron tayo ditong 25, 100, 400, and 1,600, and so on. So, alamin muna natin ang ating common ratio. Yung ating second term, ang ating rules, para makuha ang common ratio, i-divide mo yung second term sa first term. 100 divided by 25, 4. And then, itong third term to second term. 400 divided by 100 is equal to 4. And then, fourth term divided by third term is equal to 4. Therefore, the common ratio is 4. To get the next term of the given sequence, i-multiply na natin yung ating common ratio niyan dito sa 1,600. So, 1,600 divided by 4 is equal to 6,400. So, yun ang ating next term sa given sequence. And then, ang sunod nating sample, 3, negative 6, 12, negative 24. Kunin natin ang common ratio. I-divide natin itong second term sa first term, which is negative 6 divided by 3, negative 2. Next, third term to second term. Okay, 12 divided by negative 6. 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. Ano ang sign natin? Magkaiba ang sign. So, ang ating susundin ay negative. Next, fourth term divided by the third term. Negative 24 divided by 12. 24 divided by 12 is equal to 2. Anong sign? Negative. Therefore, the common ratio is negative 2. Para makuha ang ating next term, ano ang kasunod ng ating negative 24? So, negative 24, i-multiply natin ito sa ating common ratio. Negative 2. Okay? So, 24 times 2, 48. Ano ang sign nila? Positive. 48. And then itong 1/2, 1/6, 1/18, and 1/54. First, hanapin natin ang common ratio. Divide natin itong si second term sa first term. 1/6 divided by 1/2. Okay? 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So, 1/3. Third term. I-divide natin sa second term. 1/18 divided by 1/6 is equal to 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. So, common ratio natin is 1/3. And then, fourth term. Divide natin sa third term. 1/54 divided by 1/18 equals 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. 54 divided by 18 is equal to 3. So, ang ating common ratio ay 1/3. Paano natin malalaman ang ating pang limang term? So, ang ating panlimang term, i-multiply lang natin sa kanyang common ratio. Yung 1/54, i-multiply natin sa ating common ratio na 1/3. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. 54 times 3 is equal to 162. Or, ang ating next term ay tinatawag na 1/160. Okay. So, yan ang paghanap ng ating common ratio and yung next term. Thank you. That's all. Alternative learning system. Simplihan lang natin ang buhay.